Hi, I'm Chef Edward Mateo. I'm graduate of Central Escolar University, BS HRM Batch 2010. CEU talaga yung isang university lang na kinuha ng entrance exam. Wala na ibang university, only CEU. Buhay ko dito, naging masaya. So marami akong sinasaling organization. I started discovering myself baking and cooking when I was 7 years old. My dad is also a chef. Mahilig talaga magluto. So lagi magluto kapag masaya ka, sumasaya rin yung niluluto mo't sumasarap. I always bake chocolate cake. Walang katapusan na chocolate cake. Kasi for all season, lahat siguro, from bata, matanda, paborito natin ng chocolate kasi nakakasaya rin siya. My most unforgettable experience here in CEU is we won at the Umami Challenge. Ay yung kauna-una Umami Challenge. Dahil ang coach namin is only the chef of the Malacanang Pala, Chef Aurora Austria. Siya yung coach namin. And then, nanalo kami gold medal sa market basket and then nag-overall champion pa kami. Nagturo dito sa CEU after 2 years na graduate ako. So, nagturo ako for 2 years din dito sa mga HRM student. Ang hinandle ko ay baking class. Every end of the SEM, nagkakaroon kami ng event na kinikater namin lahat na natutunan namin for the whole SEM ng pagbibake. I opened my business after 2 years na graduate ako. I have commissary already na nagsusupply ng mga cakes. And then I have business already in Cagayan de Oro. Yung tiwala ng tao, naniniwala sila sa mga ginagawa mo. Magbibigay ko lang sa inyo advice to become a successful chef. I-encourage nyo lagi sarili nyo to read books, to study hard, and then lagi nyo iisipin what is your goal at the end of the day.